Hello everyone and welcome to Deano Outdoors. Today we're going to test out and review this 3000 PSI electric pressure washer from WHOLESUN. This electric pressure washer comes with a soap cannon as well as 4 different nozzles, and we're going to try each one out today in this video. Alright, let's go ahead and get this out of the box and then I'll show you everything that's included. Alright, here's what comes inside. You're going to receive your 3000 PSI pressure washer and hose reel. There's going to be a little bit of assembly required. You're going to have a set of instructions. You're also going to receive this nice brush which attaches to the end of the wand. It does send water through it for cleaning. Comes with this nice foam cannon, a quick detach spray gun to attach the different nozzles that are included. This has a quick coupling, just simply pull back on it, insert your nozzle at your choice, and you're ready to go. And you're also going to receive 4 different nozzles ranging from 0 degrees to 40 degrees. Assembly is real quick and simple. Attach the mesh stock which just slides over the top, press down until it locks into place. Next, attach the hose reel. Insert the 2 supplied screws. And lastly, attach the cable stock. Simply slide it into place and insert the 4 supplied screws. I'm going to start by pressure washing this stone. So you can see there's a lot of black on top. I will start off on the left side here with the 40 degree nozzle and work my way over to the end with the 0 degree nozzle, and we'll see how each one performs, as well as we'll check out the spray pattern for each one. Before you plug in your pressure washer, make sure you install your garden hose. It connects right here to the back end and it just simply screws into place. Then we'll go ahead and get the power hooked up. To assemble the gun to the wand, just simply push it into place and give it a 1/4 turn and it's locked in. Next, you want to take your pressure washer hose, insert it into the little slot in the back by the handle until you hear a click, and your pressure washer is ready to go. Before you turn the power on to your electric pressure washer, make sure you have the water supply turned on. And I like to squeeze the trigger on the handle for a few seconds and bleed out any of the air that's left in any of the lines. This will ensure that you have water built up inside the lines and inside your pressure washer, and you won't burn out any of the components. We're going to start with the 40 degree nozzle. Pull back on the quick connect, insert your nozzle and release it, and you can angle it whichever direction you want, and it's ready to go. Once you're sure you have water supplied to it and the water's turned on, you can go ahead and turn on the on switch on your power. You hear it prime itself up. It should instantly shut off. Now your pressure washer is ready for use. Alright, here's a test with the 40 degree nozzle. So you can see with the 40 degree you have to get pretty close, but it does have enough pressure to eliminate some of the dirt. Now we're going to test out the 25 degree nozzle. That works a little bit better. Has a little bit more of a concentrated spray pattern. Now I'm switching out to the 15 degree spray pattern and we'll see how that performs. As you can see, the spray pattern is much more concentrated. Plenty of pressure and plenty of water to clean off the rock very nicely. And finally, I'm going to switch out to the 0 degree and test that out. Here's a look at the spray pattern. Very concentrated, so you're not going to want to get as close to the object that you're going to be cleaning because you do not want to do any damage. So I'll start off a little further back and we'll see how it works. As you can see by the pattern, it's a really fine spray pattern. Probably don't want to use that on your vehicle because you could take the paint off. But if you have some areas that are really hard to clean, such as stones or crevices, this would work out very well for you. But I think for cleaning the stone, the 15 degree spray pattern is probably going to be your best option. The 15 degree spray nozzle definitely works the best for cleaning stones. And I'd probably recommend the 25 and 40 for your vehicles. And finally, we're going to test out the foam cannon that's included with this pressure washer. To use that, you have to remove your end wand by pushing in, giving it a quarter turn, pulls right out. And then the foam cannon will insert the same way as that. You just turn it, push it in, and give it a quarter turn, and it's ready for use. I think that this foam cannon works just as good as some of your higher end models that you can find on Amazon. And this one's included with your pressure washer, so that makes that a plus too as well. We'll go ahead and get that rinsed off with the 25 degree nozzle. And when you're finished with your pressure washer, the pressure washer hose stows easily away just by winding it up. This electric pressure washer from WHOLESUN features 3000 PSI at 2.4 gallons per minute. It's constructed of a high-grade plastic material, so it makes it lightweight. Includes a nice, easy-to-wind hose reel with a carrying handle and a slot to store your gun. It also includes wheels for easy transportation if you want to move it around, as well as 4 different pressure nozzles and a couple of accessories such as this brush and foam cannon. I really enjoy the features that this electric pressure washer has to offer, with its integrated hose reel, place to store your gun, as well as the attached wheels. Makes it really convenient, and its lightweight design, compact design, makes it easy to stow out of the way. With the added attachments, that's a benefit as well. The foam cannon works really well, and the brush could be used for scrubbing those hard to clean areas such as your tires, although I wouldn't recommend using it on your paint. The brush is a little bit harsh. This pressure washer comes in 3 different colors as well. If you guys want to check them out, I'll have a link down in the description below. If you guys found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you guys are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. As always, thanks for watching, and remember to get outdoors with Deano.